They got some prop. I guess this is the electronics department here. So any prop stuff you need. It's like music books, maybe nondescript books. Yeah, books. Oh, okay. So this is like stationery. If you need stationery for your little film project or just a special event. Wow, this is cool. Telephones. So yeah, rotary phones for members of my audience who remember these. I remember using these. These were so frustrating. If you got the one digit wrong, you had to start from scratch. Kids and everybody have it easy these days. But look, this brings back memories. I remember, maybe not the on this side, not the receiver on that side, but the receiver being on that side, you know. But yeah, these are, yeah, totally remember these. Look at that. This is like 80s right here. Yep, remember those too. Nice, nice, nice. And then here we go. Just kind of time traveling here.